Hola! How you guys doing? What's up, what's up, what's up? Yeah, 3 hours later, another stream, guys, Bitcoin down 5.41%, dumping from the rejection of the 10 moving average on the daily time frame up here. You can see here 10 moving average dumping down. This is not looking good. The problem is that on the 4 we still got 1 hour and 30 minutes left for this call, but if it goes below 10 and 20 moving average, it does not look good, guys. 1 hour already closed below all the moving averages. Does not look good, guys. Do something to stop the bleed. What am I gonna do, man? What am I gonna do? Am I gonna... Okay, I know. I'm gonna do something, guys. I'm gonna stop something. I'm gonna help you all, okay? Guys, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna stop the bleed right now. I'm doing everything in my power to stop the bleed right now, okay? I'm doing everything in my power, okay? There we go. Not this one. Stop the bleeding. There we go. There we go. Now we wait for the cavalry to come. Now everybody go and like this and you know, retweet the tweet. We need to do a ritual. It's gonna help. It might help. Who knows? But it definitely right now getting rejected by the 20 moving average. This is up to 50 moving average on the 4 hourly, 10 moving average on the daily, going down. This did not help, unfortunately. This didn't help a little bit. So we're gonna see how this actually works out. So we're gonna see if this 100 moving average again holds. There is no... Let's see up here. There is no divergence or anything that's playing out right now that can actually help us, you know, stop this bottom, you know, going down. Just going down here, it does not look good. So where are the supports here on the daily? We need to find something in this area. Right now, going below the 10 moving average. Down here, we got a 40,000. We're gonna use that. I mean, we're gonna use right now anything we have, right? 40,000. We got you know, 10 and 20 moving average right now. And also this 10 moving average, but this 10 moving average right now is getting smacked down. Let's see where the price is. Yeah, up there. So this is resistance and not support. But right now we got support at 40,006 and 38,007. These two are important. Like we take everything. Right now we are looking for the supports, and any kind of support is welcomed right now. Down here, these two are very important supports. Let's see how this looks on the daily. You can see here there's a lot of support coming in here around 39, 40, 38,000. But this up here, this also might actually have it. Now there is this top up here that might give us support. We like that. We like the top, and you can see right now that that's where we are actually having, you know, some kind of a battle there. This is a daily top right now. Maybe this dump is finished. Maybe the dump is finished because right now we're going to the support on the daily up here. So that's nice. I did not see that. So now that I'm seeing that, I'm like, is this live stream even needed? Breaking the channel. Don't stop the bleed. Give us a beautiful double button. Nolan, who knows what's up. Francis is looking good. By the way, I see a lot of, you know, unusual green names because, you know, suddenly we are not doing it at 9 AM Central European time. DJ AV Stalin, Kingsley, Betch, Immortal, Muhammad, Kodo, Humor, Immortal, Nolan, and Betch is here as well. Yeah, Francis is here as well, and that's it. That's the green names. By the way, guys, if you join the TA fans club, get the green name, you gotta pick the coin. Panic live stream. Yeah, it's a panic live stream. You know, I'm abusing the mechanics of the fear and greed index, right? So we got fear and Bitcoin fear and greed index, something like that, right? Fear and greed index. Let me just move this a little bit up here. It should be there. Fear and greed index, that's this one up here, right? And right now we are 33, yesterday at 27, so we are less fearful today than yesterday, but if this dumps more, I think we can push this to some kind of historic values. Let's see historic value maximum Historic values of fear and greed is 22. Can you push down? 10. It goes down to 10. 10. Like, what's this down here? This is probably 21st August 2019. Wow, that it was 11, down 11, maybe in 5, something like that. These are extreme levels. So we are not at extreme fear levels. We can still dump more, but you know, we are pretty close. We are pretty close to extreme levels right now. 33. If we go down more, that's gonna be bad for price, bad price. But you can see here right now sitting at some kind of 20 levels and dumping more. By the way, is there music playing in the background because I don't have my stuff in my ears? China FUD. What's the China FUD saying right now? Old news from China spread out again. It's an old story and everybody. Yeah, what's the China FUD this time around? Was it Cointelegraph? Do we have some kind of China FUD going on circulating, or is it rumor or is it actually news? Music is on. Bitcoin hits 45, Twitter stock price rises 3.9 after BTC tipping comes to Twitter. BTC tipping comes to Twitter. What a big, I would say big investors pivot in Bitcoin. There's no nothing. But what is this? What? Not this one. This one. Twitter stock benefits of orange pillar surging stock at positive tailwinds for Bitcoin. For Twitter search stock, data from the control profit training will be CUSD reached. The largest cryptocurrency social network growth. The first phase of Lightning Network tipping feature via payments gate strike for iOS users Tuesday. Other interfaces would soon follow. Strike confirmed with other. So basically, Lightning Network is starting to come to the masses. Not reacting to Twitter good news means bear. Yeah, it should be mean bear. Like, how cannot the good news pump the price? Best strategy for most people is to go offline and check the price again if they calm down. Yes, that might help. They banned Bitcoin again. Who banned Bitcoin again? China. How many times can you ban Bitcoin? Like every year, like at least 2-3 times a year, China bans Bitcoin. China said they're banning crypto, but it will not be illegal to own it. FUD by the dip. The China FUD, man. Every year, a couple of times a year, there is China FUD. China Bank just banned crypto again. What? China, Bitcoin. Let's see here. News. Tools. Recent past 24 hours. Bitcoin news. China POS says crypto related. There we go. Bloomberg. Crypto. China says all crypto related transactions are illegal. So you can own it, but you cannot transact it. China Central Bank said all cryptocurrency related transactions are illegal and must be banned, sending the strongest signal yet on its determination to crack down on the industry. All cryptocurrencies, literally all cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Tether, are not fiat currencies and cannot be circulated on the market, the People's Bank of China said on its website. Now all cryptocurrency, guys. Chainlink, yes. Guys, if they ban all cryptocurrency, that means that Chainlink got to go. But you know, Chainlink is not cryptocurrency, it's not currency, so they ban currency. So that means Bitcoin, Tether, stablecoins, Dogecoin, Litecoin, XRP. But you can still use Ethereum and Chainlink and stuff like that. So just currencies. I think, you know, they just ban the currencies. You know, the utility coins are fine. The utility coins are fine, guys. China not further. It's recycled TLA. Apparently this news came out 3rd of September already. Let's see here. No, September 24th. This is the day. This is the updated on September. Okay, it's maybe just change something. Let's see something here. China turns to screw in crypto crackdown. This is Reuters. Yeah, track me. China turns to screw in crypto crackdown. September 24. This is the day. You have reached your article limit. Well, F you, man. China intensified crackdown on cryptocurrency trading on Friday today, vowing to root illegal activities trading in Bitcoin once virtual cryptocurrency national bank cryptocurrency. So yeah, China FUD again, but it's cryptocurrency. So Ethereum fine, Chainlink fine. Let me see, pregnant butt fine, Anything that's not currency, I think it's fine. So basically stable coins and you know, Bitcoin and stuff. Should we buy now or wait for more dumps? Well, I don't see any kind of bottom right now. Right now, I'm even breaking this up here. Let's see, look at a 5-minute chart. I mean, at least on 5-minute chart, you gotta see something. You gotta see something. Right now, dumping there. Is there any... there is divergence kicking in right now. Guys, there's divergence on the 5-minute chart kicking in right now. You can see here, this is 5-minute chart, divergence kicking in. That's good, that's nice, that's very nice. Let's see here if you can figure out where the bottom is. Let's go to the 1 hourly chart. 1 hourly chart still pushing down, sitting on some kind of 29 level on the 1 hourly. 4 hourly sitting down on 39. Daily is pretty high up, I think 41. Let's see overextended levels. There should be no overextended levels on this on the big time frames. On the big time frames, there are no big extended levels, nothing on the daily on the Let's see 4 hourly. 4 hourly is getting extended a little bit on the downside. Let's see here. 4 hourly is getting extended. Yeah, definitely getting extended on the downside right now. We are getting to some kind of bottom, guys. We are getting to some... It's a short-term bottom. It's a small time frame. It's a full 4 hour time frame. But we are definitely getting to some kind of bottom. I mean, it can push down. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see 1 hourly. 1 hourly is same. 1 hourly is overextended. We are hitting the bottom now. We are hitting the bottom right now, guys. Let's see down here. Let's pop all of the averages down here. Yeah, this is it, guys. I think this is it. This is going to hit some kind of button. But where is the support? Where is the support? We need some kind of support to, you know, to give us some kind of indication of some kind of where is this going? There is nothing here. There is nothing here. I mean, there is down there. You gotta go back. This is 40,000. There is nothing. There's literally nothing on the daily. On the weekly, there is nothing on the weekly right up here. On the weekly, what do we have on the weekly? We don't have anything on the weekly time frame. What are we gonna use for support? Why should this, if it's overextended, why should it stop there? Why should it stop there? Maybe there must be some 4 hourly support. There must be some 4 hourly support down here. Let's clean up everything. There must be some 4 hourly support. Is it already picking up? Is it already picking up? Let's see 5-minute chart. A little bit, not quite yet there. Let's see 1 minute chart down here. It's getting close. It's getting close. I think we're getting close. We just need to find the support. Where is the support, guys? Where is the support? Let's go to 4 hourly time frame. Let's see here. Do we have support down here? Is this support? Yeah, this might be it because this is over. This is some kind of bottom. Yeah, I think this is the bottom that we are looking for, guys. I think this is some kind of, because this engulfing candle, this is some kind of bottom. Right now it's holding the bottom right now, and right now this is intermediate support. Let's see if he can hold it. There is a double divergence, other side divergence down here. So let's see on the 1 minute chart. Is it doing anything? Is it doing anything? No, this is bad. 1 minute chart. Let's see back to 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart is not actually working out. 1 minute hourly chart. I mean, it picked up a little bit, not that much, you know. Let's see 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart. It doesn't seem to be. It seems to be one of those, you know, one of those slow stopping, you know. And then, you know, drop down more, because this is right now picking up in up again. It's not on 50. Let's go 15 minutes up here. 1 hour. I think it's getting close. I think it's getting close to some kind of bottom, but we'll see. It's close. Tiela, notice the total crypto market cap volume is not bad. The total crypto market volume. Crypto index. Can you see the volume? This is on 5-minute chart. Let's see daily. I don't know, man. This is really hard to read. Like this move towards upside, actually legit. Total market, but the volume is bad because you see here. See here, it's picking up here with the price and then drops down. That shouldn't do the same thing. So I don't like the volume of crypto market, crypto index. I think if this did, when Tia goes into football commentary more. But you know, we gotta figure it out. You know, we want to know where the bottom is. And it looks like it's coming pretty close. This looks like coming pretty close. This is on 5-minute chart, but and you know it's going down, and the volume is you know, losing its strength right now, so it might be pretty close. Important for this 41,200, give or take, right? This might be important resistance, sorry, support. That might actually, you know, help us right now. You know, might actually help us right now. Bottom will be yours, Fractal 2204 video. My Fractal 204 video. You mean? Yeah, but that's like in 6 months or something like that. Koinski predicted 37.5. I don't see, guys. I don't see 37.5. But you know, we talked about this before. I don't see 37.5, but I do see 39 to 38. You know, 37.5, you know, it's right beneath there, but you know, and after that, you know, we also got 34,000 down here because of the head and shoulders pattern, and after that is like 30 and so forth, but we don't want to go there. We don't want to go there right now. We're just trying to figure out where is this gonna go. Where is this gonna go? That's below 50 weekly MA. Yeah, I mean if you weekly MA is right up here in the box, right? Weekly MA is in the box. So if you look at a weekly MA up here, 50 weekly is right in the box here at 38.6. So if you go to, you can go down. It doesn't mean that you have to close. Closing below this line is bad, but just going with the wick down, it really doesn't matter. As long as you go to wick down and just come right back up again, that's fine. Right, that's fine. Closing below this line is bad. So if you don't want to go here and close there, closes are bad, guys. Closes are bad. So eat 30 minutes bear flag. Let's see, eat 30 minutes bear flag. Eat down 10% right now. Eat 10% down. Bear flag. 30 minutes bear flag. Let's see. I won't call it a bear flag, man. You got 3 candles. 1, 2, 3 candles. 1, 2, 3. It's too early to call. Even a 5-minute chart is not a bear flag. Bear flag looks more like this, and then, you know, I honestly think this looks like a bear flag, but there's, you know, the volume this is 5-minute chart, guys. This is 5-minute chart, and the volume is crashing down even with this dump here. Then you got these 2 divergences up here. Let's see the divergences up here. You got these 2 divergences even on so I think this might be the bottom. I think this might be the bottom for right now. When I say the bottom, I don't mean the bottom you're going to 100k, guys. You don't take it literally. It's local bottom for right now, and we might pump some up here before we consolidate and then dump more. That might happen, but right now there might be some kind of bottom right now where we are right now, both on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we're gonna see that because we are overextended a little bit. Let's go to the hourly time frame down here. See how hourly is doing up here. Clean up this. Right now hourly is sitting down on 93 on the RSI, getting this crossover down to the on the MACD and the 1 hourly. I don't like yeah, right now, and we are trying to get back above the 0 line of the 4 hourly. You're going to cross. Let's see the daily. The daily is important. Daily just continues to bleeding down. Daily just continues to bleed down. So not good, not good. Let's see up here. This down here. This is daily. Let's see 4 hourly. 4 hourly is down there. I mean, we have more to go. We have more to go, definitely. This stump up here was some kind of 30. Let's see the 20 moving average. How is this working? Yeah, on the 20 we got more to go. On the 20 we got more to go. It's too early for the 4 hourly. It's too early for the 4 hourly, but 1 hourly might be some kind of overextended level. Yeah, 1 hourly is definitely getting some kind of kick to the downside, some kind of kick downside. So we're gonna see if this actually pushes more through. It's hitting some kind of support up here. It's hitting some kind of support. We're gonna see if this can manage. We're gonna see if this manages actually to break the support down here, or if it bounces, because these 2 moving averages right now coming into consolidation with each other, and we might just bounce on them and have a little pull to the upside. Right now, Bitcoin's down 6%. Altcoins are down 10+%, 10, 50, 20%. You know, right now is, you know, fear is kicking in. People are getting fearful, and you know, when people are getting the max fearful, is then it's when the price just suddenly pumps to the upside. By the Ripple might get wrecked all the way to Monday, guys. There we go. Just in case you forgot, just in case you forgot. What EMAs do you use on the small time frames again? I use the same moving averages on all time frames. Doesn't matter. 10, 20, 50, 100, 200 moving average. All time frames. All time frames. All time frames. Any thoughts on cellular network? It went parabolic this week despite the dumps. But the question is it still going parabolic? And let's see the daily. Unfortunately, you're getting other side divergence up here. There is other side divergence up here, but it's not confirmed, you know, this can just continue towards the upside. Maybe just climbing, maybe just the intermediate, you know. It looks nice, it looks nice. There's no problem here on cellular network. Still going up here on the MACD. There is a small divergence up here that might actually crash the price on the downside, you know. But divergences, you know, they have to be overcome eventually. Weekly, seems no problem up here, 77, going up higher. You're getting this, let's go use the 2 weeks. Up here just to see it better. Yeah, there is some kind of divergence kicking in right over here right now. Maybe over both levels right now on the weekly time frame. That might be it, you know. There are some kind of overbought levels on the weekly time frame. Let's go up here. Yeah, definitely we are getting into some kind of over. It doesn't matter. The risk is high right now. 6.55. Let's see the 5-minute chart on Bitcoin right now. Obviously not the bottom. But it is keeping still this support down here. It's still keeping the support even though it is pushing it down. Still keeping the support. Like right now, altcoins between 10 and 15%, everything, mostly everything. There's some altcoins that are I don't know what REN is, but it's up on the day by 4.44%. I don't know why, I don't know what this is, but it's up. What more is up on my chart? XTZ 0.63% up, 1% up. And I got nothing else. Everything else is in red beside those two. Right now Bitcoin is 5.14. 5.14 is still holding this support down here on the 5-minute chart. Well, is this support is gonna hold or not? It kind of depends. What is support is gonna hold? It is nice support, and we got this RSI runs. Now the China fight can only last for so long. So we're gonna see how this actually works out. Look at that bearish divergence on the weekly low. Adam might have, maybe he's having a bearish divergence on the weekly. Let's see on the weekly. Yeah, there is definitely bearish divergence on the weekly on Cardano right up here, right? So, but it's right now it can already have been played out. It can already have been played out. Let's see here on the two weekly up here. Yeah. So Cardano on the weekly time frame is creating this move towards the upside, higher highs, while this one is been going down. So on the weekly time does not look good though. Does not look good on the weekly time from Cardano. Definitely doesn't look good. Let's see daily up here. This 41.9 is holding nicely. I mean we can still continue watching it on the 5-minute chart because I think it's just gonna push it. Because right now the support is holding and these moving averages are coming for us, right? So we're gonna see if we can climb the moving averages. Let's see the 1 hourly because 1-minute chart, and we are even on the 1-minute chart. We are somehow getting still rejected on the downside. So we cannot break this 50 moving average. This 50 moving average seems to be important on the 1-minute chart. So we're gonna see that. There says link button. Link or like, doesn't matter. You can press whichever we want to. Link, like, I didn't notice that. Tiela, is the Head and Shoulders still valid for BDC? Head and Shoulders, I mean, yeah, let's see. So there was, the thing is, what he's asking about, we have this Head and Shoulders pattern on the daily time frame up here. I'm sorry about the lines, but you just gotta have to learn to live with it. I'm gonna explain to you quickly. So the thing is that we have this Head and Shoulders pattern here that got rejected here, and right now we went up, right? So we are actually thinking that this Head and Shoulders pattern is gonna fall down all the way down to 34,000. And I didn't do that. It fell down and then right back up again. Right now going down here to this support line. Now the support line is important because this is some kind of a falling wedge. We're actually expecting this move to go all the way up here and then get rejected maybe, but you know, we are getting premature rejection, maybe because of the China FUD news, and right now going down to the support. So not only is this support down here at, what's that, 31.9, yeah, it also corresponds really nicely with this wedge. Now let's draw the wedge again, just on this chart up here where we have the support. So you have the support. Let's draw the wedge. Let's draw the wedge line. Let's go do this on the 4-hourly time frame and see if we can get some nice lines up here. Can we get some nice lines up here? This isn't a nice line. I don't see it right now. Maybe that up here. There we go, something like this maybe. Maybe something like this, right? That's the, you know, head and shoulders pattern that got rejected here. And right now going into this, maybe that's something. Let's see on the 1 hour leg if you can draw it nicer. Is it a nice line? Is it a nice line? Because it is confirming up here. It is very nice here. It is hitting somehow these tops and right now getting into this very support right now. It is the 0.618 fibs on the last run. This is 0.16. Okay, we don't do fibs, but you know, when you're out of ideas, you do what you need to do. No, it's actually 0.30. It's actually right now. This is 0.3. Just. Now, I don't like Fibonacci's, you know that, but you know, when you're out of ideas, you know, a man's gotta do what man's gotta do, right? So this is the last run, you know, 0.338 is right above us up here, right above us where we actually crashed through that. So you got this 0.5 all the way down here, and then it's 0.618 down here. But we don't do Fibonacci. We are not Fibonacci guys over here. We are not Fibonacci guys, unfortunately. Now, what is, you know, you might be thinking like this one up here, right? No, we just did this one. Yeah, that's the one we did. That's the one we did. Maybe, you know, maybe on the daily, the big one, the big kahuna. We're gonna check the big kahuna. Okay, let's check the big kahuna, guys. What's this? 0.223 is up here. 0.23, guys. 0.23. So I don't know how 0.23, how important that is, you know. Usually the 0.38, 0.5, 0.16 down here, not 0.16, 0.60, 61, you know, those are important ones. 0.23, I don't know, but it's there, it's in the ballpark area. Your line is wrong. How can my line be wrong, man? What do you mean my line is wrong? It's a nice line. I like the line. My line is wrong. Look at this, man. It's good line. What do you mean my line is wrong? Explain yourself, mortal. Look at this. We can even put up to 4 so you can see it better. Like, how can you say that line is wrong? Let's go to the 4 hourly. It holds these and then, you know, smash through it and manage to get back above it, right? Daily. It's a nice line, man. It's a nice line. I don't know what you're talking about. Not that one. Upper line of the wedge. Oh yeah, the upper line of the wedge. What do you mean upper line of the wedge? Like this is how can this be wrong? Oh, maybe. Do you know why? But do you know why? We don't support now. Good line. So this up here, I'm gonna show you something. First, we have to check. Yeah, this is engulfing candle. These engulfing candles usually can be thought of as wicks, right? So these engulfing candles can be thought of as wicks right now, but it's not hitting on the dollar. You know, that's what bothers me. We are not hitting on the dollar. So that's what bothers me, you know. So you gotta use this one, but you know, if you use this one, is, you know, all the way up there. But this is engulfing candle, so you don't want to use engulfing. So you know, something like this, you are hitting it, but you know, you know, and this is nice, this is nice. You can see here why. So on the daily candle, we see that this is engulfing candle, right? This is engulfing candle, and that means that you can just like remove this and draw it from these to these here. And when you go down the small time frame, you understand why. You understand why. You can see here, this one up here. You see here we dropped and then drop right back. So this line up here is actually correct line. Nice find, man. Nice find. Alpine style com. Nice find. You get the hug. I don't know how I'm gonna give you how you get the hug. Alpine, fine. Yes, Stella, now you get it. Yeah, thank you, thank you. That's the correct line. You know, there's a lot of lines on every chart. It's really hard to find out the exact line where, you know, where it's gonna go and stuff like that. So I do appreciate, you know, my peeps in the chat, you know, helping me out, because not always I can find the correct line. That's the trick. Like 90% of TA is finding the right line. Which line is getting respected, which line is nice, which is correct line, and now we see it. Now we see the rejection, now we see the problems, now we see it, now we understand it. Not only is this the top of this wedge, not only is the top of the wedge, if you look at the moving averages, guys, if you look at the moving averages, especially on the daily time frame, you can see here, right over here, 10 moving average rejection, right? 4 hourly also pretty close to the 50 moving average. Let's see 1 hourly down here, let's see 1 hourly down here. 1 hourly down here, yeah, 200 moving average, it went up to 200 moving, yeah, and then got smackdown. So big move to the downside, entirely all the way down. Got immediately rejected by this very nice trend line, man. Appreciate it. Coinskid pointed out a similar scenario yesterday while talking about Cardano. I mean, coins do, you know, overlap with each other, so, you know, go long now. Now is time, guys. Now it might be time to go long, as long as we do not break the support. As long as we do not break the support, it might be time, you know, it can be time to go long. It can be time to go long, maybe. Like, because you know what they're saying, you know, you go long on the support, you short the resistance. You don't wait to get to the resistance, you don't wait to get up here to go long, right? You wait to get to the support and then long, right? That's what people are, that's how they, you know, you take a risk. I understand the risk is there, you know, going long from the support is a risk because you can break the support, but then you gotta exit the trade and so forth, right? But before you actually, you know, long the support, you gotta wait and look for some kind of and like we said, like this might be the bottom, guys. Look at this, it's curving towards the upside, going up, down, curving towards the upside right now. This moving average, if we cross up above this moving average, this might be, guys, this might be, you know, what gets us a little bit bullish, a little bit more towards the upside. This might be, you know, the support we need. This might be the thing that we are looking at right now. This might be, you're here on the 1 hourly, 59. We got a 1 hourly close. Did we just get 1 hourly close without me seeing it? Well, actually, it was very uneventful. 1 hourly close. It actually was a bad 1 hourly close because we went down, but we did not dump down that much. Now let's look at the volume here on the two. The volume is going down. The volume is going down on the dump, guys. The volume is going down on the dump. That said, it's only 2 candles, so you know how much volume is there on the 2 candles. You know, this is the fear, and right now there is no more fear. So right now people are looking at some kind of bottom. Right now this might actually be some kind of local bottom. I'm not saying like bear market bottom, but some kind of local bottom might be over here. Now what we are interested in is the volume, but on, let's go to the 5-minute time frame. And the volume is still keep going down. Overall volume, even though you got these moves, overall volume is still going down on the move down. What does volume tell us on the move down? If the volume is going down, it means there is no interest in the move. So if there is a down move and you have losing volume, that means that, you know, there is no interest in the down move. Now if there is a move towards upside and volume goes down, that means there is no interest in the move towards the upside. That means down, right? But on the other hand, if you got, you know, price going down and you got volume going up, that means there is interest in the move to continue. People have interest in the move. So volume is representing the interest in the price. But this is scary, guys. We are either gonna crash through the support over here, or we're gonna bounce. It's either else. Like this is really hard to figure out. But you know, there might be some kind of a falling wedge up here. Is there a falling wedge on a 5-minute chart? I mean, it's a crappy falling wedge. I don't know what this is. Maybe on 1-minute chart. Guys, we are looking right now at 1-minute chart. Word of warning, unless you are professional with 16 years of experience, you should never look at the 1-minute chart. Okay, guys? Word of warning, 16 years of experience at least. finally understand the volume stuff. Volume is just telling you like interest in the price. So if you see the volume price going up and volume rising, that means there is interest to the price going up. But if you see volume going up and volume going down, then you know interest is failing. I'm gonna show you the best. Bjorn, where is the Bjorn? Where's Bjorn? Bjorn Eric. I'm gonna show you the nicest way I can explain this to you. Nicest way I explain it, so you understand. So you understand the bullish moves and bearish moves. Okay, look at this here. This is when the bull market started. This is the start of the bull market. Let's see. Can we do this on the weekly time frame? Because I think it's nicer on the weekly time frame. Yeah, it's nicer on the weekly time frame. Maybe on daily. Let's see here, on the daily. It's fine enough. It's fine enough. Okay, this is the bull run starting. You can see the price going up, but look at here. Look at the volume. See the volume? Volume is climbing towards the upside. This means there is interest in the volume to climb upside, and this is the legit bull run, right? But as soon as we hit here and started doing up here towards the rest, it started going down. So we are getting some kind of exhaustion here on the top, and the volume was going down. But until up there, this is the start of one. This is legit move towards the upside. Means might continue, but after it continues towards the upside, you see volume crashing towards the downside. The same thing happening here. Not the same thing, but you know, from down here, the volume has been going towards downside all the way up here somewhere, right? The volume has been going down. So even though the move was nice, you know, it's not this bull run move. It's not bull run move. So there is no interest in the price going up when the volume is going down. But you gotta you know, zoom out, look at more than one candle on the volume. You know, you gotta look at it as a whole picture to figure it out where the price is gonna. Are we breaking the support, guys? Are we breaking the support? Are we breaking the support? Yeah, we are. We are breaking the support, but only to the next support. Dumpy. BTC about 6.7%. 6.7%. Let's see here. Down. Volume down. Let's see here. Down, down. Let's see divergences. Let's turn off the volume for a second. Now this kicked in volume. Let's see here. Let's see here. Oh no, there is no more divergences. There is no more divergences on the 5-minute chart, and we are kicking down. We are going through the support. Unfortunately, that wasn't the bottom. It looked like it good, and you know, all we had to do was bounce up here. It wants to go down. It looks like it wants to go down. Let's go to see overextensions. Right now, 1 hourly, 4 hourly down here somewhere, minus 5.4. That's not gonna be enough. That's not gonna be enough. We need more. I think we need more. Dumping more, 6.92%. Right now, altcoins, at least on my list, are between 12 and 15, 16%. They're climbing more, they're dumping more. Not down, down, down. Falling, yeah, we are falling, still falling down through the support here. We are losing the support, guys. We are losing the support. We are losing the support. And for everybody who wonders why I put in the stop loss on down here, because I bought it down here and I put the stop loss somewhere around, actually, what was that? 41.2 or something like that up here, and I got triggered out. It's because of this move. I just thought like it might come a lot sooner, but it didn't. But if you do fail right now, maybe getting support, maybe getting support. Can we climb back up? We already, you know, we are trying. Let's see 1 hour, 1 minute chart. I don't know why we are looking at 1 minute chart, but we are looking at 1 minute chart, guys. Where is the trend line? Where is the trend line? Where is the downtrend line? Still not being broken. This trend line is important. This trend line is important. This is a downtrend. Downtrend still ripping through. Once you break this trend downtrend towards the upside, that might indicate some kind of bottom, some kind of stoppage. You know, we want to find out when we're stopping. This is some kind of channel. Right now we are falling inside a channel. We don't want to get out of the channel though. We don't want to get out of the channel. We're gonna do the channel like this up here. We're gonna post this. No, we're gonna where is the line? This line. We're gonna do this one, and yeah, we gotta extend up here. Yeah, give or take some kind of channel, right? We are falling inside the channel, so we're gonna see that. But right now we are trying to get back above this. Maybe this is the bottom. You know, like we failed through, got everybody scared, and right back up again. Right back up, maybe, but we gotta break the trend line. We gotta break the trend line. How's ETH doing, mate? ETH the same. ETH minus 10%. He's doing the same thing. Dumpy, but there is no green candle on ETH, or there is no green candle on ETH. This 5-minute chart, 1 minute chart. Let's see 5-minute chart on ETH right now. ETH going down here. This is the trend line, so it got a lot more room to go down there. But this is engulfing candle, so this should not be watched. So I don't know where it is then. I don't know where it is then. Let's see the support down here. It's not, maybe something like this down here. Right now breaking that support. 7% on Bitcoin right now, still continuing down. There was no hopium on that green 1 minute candle. There was no hopium on the green 1 minute candle. We're going down to the support here on this. Let's see 4 hourly. For what are we gonna look for? What are we gonna look for right now? Let's remove these. Channels and see if we can look for overextensions. Because right now, but the overextension, there is no overextension on the daily or on the daily or the weekly time frame. Like they are too. There are no overextension on daily or the weekly. There is no overextension on daily on the weekly. Let's see the 4 hourly. 4 hourly should be pretty intense, and 1 hourly definitely. 1 hourly definitely pushing it down. 1 hourly definitely getting to some kind of extended levels. Yeah, 1 hourly, we are close, I don't know how much, because this is 4 hour, 1 hour, this is 4 hour, 4 hourly smacking it down. This might be it, let's see here. Because this down cannot continue forever, right? They cannot continue forever. No divergence here right now, It's going slowly. Let's see the volume up here right now. Volume kicking in actually. Volume kicking in right now. Volume is kicking in back in right now. See 1 hourly volume. Volume still 1 hourly, still going down. Still 50 minutes left to go. So, you know, never say never. This can actually pump, you know, up. So we're gonna see how much it dumps. 7.19% down. Darny, it's a big China FUD. Yeah, but you know, we just talked about it. Like China FUD comes like 3 times a year. You know, it's just one of those things. And we figured out China FUD right now. It says cryptocurrency are getting bad. You know, transaction with cryptocurrencies. So Ethereum is not a currency, Chainlink is not a currency, and Chainlink just got, you know, big deal with the, you know, Amazon Web Services and stuff like that, you know. So currencies like Tether, stablecoin, stuff like that, you know, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, XRP, Litecoin, all of these currencies, you know, they are the problem. But you know, Ethereum, Cardano, Chainlink, you know, those are good. 1 4 hour RSI is quite low, brother, quite low. Let's see the RSI right now. Let's see the RSI right now on the 4 hourly. This is 1 hourly. 1 hour right now sitting at 26. But see, the thing is, on the 1 hourly, they can go low. They can go to 14, like, and they can go to 14 often, you know. So although we are low, we are getting close there. We are getting really close. But RSI on the 4 hourly is just 36. Just 36. When I see it at 30, you know, that might be it. That might be it. Right now, let's see here on this. Overextension indicator down here. This is a 4 hourly right now. 4 hourly is getting pretty extended on the downside. 4 hourly is definitely getting on the 10 moving average. 10 moving average. Let's see 5 minute chart. Still pushing it down like crazy. Still pushing it down. Let's turn off the volume. I need like speed buttons for turn off. Please tell us more about Ethereum. When Ethereum is gonna stop bleeding, when Bitcoin stops bleeding. Maybe before that, I don't know. Is there, but I cannot find anything of interest on I cannot. What just happened? I did not mean to press that. Okay guys, we lost the charts. We lost the charts. That's it, guys. China FUD got us. I'm sorry, guys. China FUD got us. We lost the chart. Minus 7.78% right now, getting some kind of overextended levels, guys. I lost the charts. There is no more charts, guys. My chart. See here. Nothing is working. Yes, I'm pressing, but no charts. No charts. It's done. We finish. This brought bad news from China. Yeah, it might be that. Okay, we're gonna do it like this. Wait. Let's see if this helps. Yeah, there are the charts. We got the charts back. We're back on the track. 7.91. Right now, we're getting to really extended levels on the downside. Let's see the 1 hourly chart. Yeah, this should be. I got a whole bunch of new lines back on the chart. Unfortunately, a whole bunch of new lines on the chart. It doesn't matter. Let's see what I lose. What else? We gotta follow it. 1 hourly, 4 hourly, 4 hourly. We don't need MACD. You know what? Too many lines on chart. But we need lines. We removed the lines previously. Wow, this is it, guys. This is it. 1 hourly cannot push it anymore. 1 hourly has to retreat. Guys, this is it, guys. When you see this 1 minute candle drop, that's gonna be it. Wait. We are hoping, you know, this is it. We are hoping this was support, but it just starts bleeding down. Now we're looking. 4 hour. Let's go to 4 hourly down here. See how 4 hourly is doing. How 4 hourly is doing. We don't need RSI right now. Let's remove some of these baddie lines. So we got a up here line support. We don't need these supports down here. Let's remove this line up here as well. 5 minute chart. 1 minute. Is 1 minute starting picking up? 1 minute starting picking up a little bit. We're gonna see if this was this actually it. Was this it? Was this the bottom? Let's see. Oh, we got a green candle, but it's not pulling up. It's not pulling up. Let's go to 1 hourly chart right now. Still overextend as a mother, you know, MF. How far can you push this down? How far can you push down? These levels on the 1 hourly chart are unseen. I mean, they are seen, like they do happen, but we are as extended as you can get. This is getting close to finish, guys. This is getting definitely very close to finish. 10 minute chart. How much can you dump in a 4 hourly time frame? Right now 45 minutes left. I think it wants to close. I think it wants to close it low. 1 minute chart. $40.7. Next low button. I don't see it, man. I don't see it. Let's see next low button. Let's go back to the daily here. It's going back. I mean I don't think we cannot get away from this. We cannot get below this. I don't think that's gonna happen, guys. I don't think that's gonna happen. I don't think we can get below, what's that, 40.8. Right now we're coming. I think that's it. I think this is button. This might be button, guys. This might be button. Like, how can you are overextend on the downside? Like, you cannot push through the support when you're overextend, right? Let's go back to 4 hourly time frame. But still 45 minutes left. Still 45 minutes left. 5 minute chart. 5 minute chart close up here. It closes in red. Still pushing it down. How long can it push it down? 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart does not want to go up. I mean, they are pushing the price down. You can see the price. I think a lot of people are right now going long. I think a lot of traders are going long right now, and they want to push the price up. But somebody's selling a lot. They're selling a lot right now, and we are seeing, because this move like here, like you know price wants to go up, you know, but somebody's holding the price down, and it just doesn't want to, you know, break on downside. We just broke back below this this trend line up here on the downside, of lost the support. Big dump. I mean, I think everybody's getting liquidated right now. 8.20, 20% on the downside. If you are long, if you're long with the leverage, you're probably liquid. That's why I never advise anybody. And this happened within 1 hour. What's that? 3 hours. Within 3 hours, if you're on your work for 3 hours and you have a long position, you know, that's getting liquidated, right? Let's see 1 minute chart. I don't know. The problem is there is no V-shaped bottom here. This is more like, you know, I don't know, U-shaped bottom or something like that. Let's go back in time, guys. Let's go back in time to previous low. Where was it? This one up here. You can see here. This is how we knew that this was bottom, because this just, you know, on 1 minute chart just start dropping right down and right back up again. This is the V-shape recovery button. This is what we are looking for right now. But the problem is that we are seeing something like this, right? We are not seeing something like this, right? We are not seeing the V-shape button right now. See here? Right now we are just seeing this curvature where it wants to drop more. Somebody's pushing it down. That's because it isn't gonna go beat the button. It's pretty heavily overextended. We are looking right now at these supports down here at 40.7 and 40.9. 40.7, 40.9. There you go. The 1 minute chart failed. Right now going even further down. Let's see 5 minute chart. getting into these supports areas down at 40.9 and 40.7. I mean, the extension levels can move, definitely can move further down, but it's getting close. It's getting close. Let's see here on the daily. Let's see here on, it's not on daily. This is 4 hourly. 4 hourly right now getting, wow. The 4 hourly is getting smacked on the downside. The 4 hourly is definitely getting. This bottom down here didn't come. The previous dump down here wasn't even close to where it is now. It's just going straight now. Even this is some kind of a. This over here, this dump up here was actually more extended, so we might see that. We might see this kind of dump over here. Let's see, look at a 5-minute chart. Let's zoom in up here a little bit. When was that? When was that? No, it doesn't matter. Did it pick up? Did it pick up? Oh, there we go. There we go. No. We see what's happening now. We see what's happening now. That'd be beautiful. Today we make some big money. I don't know if it's gonna be big money, but right now this, you know, we are getting close. We are getting close. This cannot go on forever. Straight dump in a downside. You know, that's gonna be something huge, something huge. Are you gonna close? No, they're still pushing it out. They're still pushing it down. They haven't lifted the sell wall yet. They're not done selling. They're not done selling. There are a lot of buyers, but they're not selling because they have a hard time pushing it down. They have a hard time pushing it down. Right now, a lot of stuff is right now down minus around 15%, give or take. So I see some minus 18%, 16%, 15%. Yeah, most of the stuff is right now minus 16%. Is this the V-shaped bottom? Is this the bottom? Because there is support right now, hitting the support right now. We're moving a little bit back up. How much is there left? 39 minutes on the daily, on the chart. Let's see the wicks up here. Let's see the wicks. Measure the wicks instead. Yeah, the wicks are actually definitely went down. Was this it, guys? There we go. The 1 minute chart is already kicking in. Let's see the 5-minute chart. How 5-minute chart is working. Maybe. This might be it, you know, this might be it. But a lot of people are going long right now. I bet you a lot of people are going long right now because this is some kind of support down here. And, you know, they see overextended levels. So, you know, they're going long. They're going long. Let's see on 1 hourly. 3 hours, 1, 2, 3 hours. I mean, technically you can just, you know, dump forever. But this looks like it's getting close. This looks like it's getting close right now. I don't know why, but I don't see you know, I don't see a candle all the way down to 38,000 or something like that. I don't see a candle. It can happen, but I don't see it. I don't see it. 5-minute chart, 3.48. Let's see 1-minute chart. 1-minute chart is climbing above the 10 moving average. That's the first sign. That's the first sign. So that might be nice. So this might be the bottom, guys. This might be the bottom. You don't want to get back below 40.9 or something like that. What's right Bitcoin down 8%. I think this is it. I mean, when I say this is it, I mean, you know, this is it for a, you know, small pullback to the upside. You know, later we can actually, you know, break it. But right now, I think, you know, this support right over here, that's might, you know, be the thing that's actually holding us up. I think this is it. I think this is right now trying. I mean, 1-minute chart is already trying to, you know, gain some kind of room, and 5-minute chart is right now still has a little bit room left to go towards the upside. But 1 hourly closes in 37 minutes, and 4 hourly closes also in 37 minutes. So in 37 minutes, we'll know exactly what's gonna happen. In 37 minutes, we'll know exactly if we, you know, dump down or not. Because in 37 minutes, you know, that's gonna be the time where we figure out whether we dump or don't dump. Because 37 minutes, we get the hourly close, we get the 4 hourly close, we get the close on the indicators as well. Because you have to understand, a lot of you know, manipulators that are manipulating price, they are looking to close the price above certain levels or below certain levels. Not only do you kind of you kind of just pinpoint that this price is closed in that. But when you close the price on certain level, indicators close as well. You see indicator closed up here on this on this exact point, and on this other point, indicator closed as well, and it closed up here and it closed up here. Without the closes, this indicator just goes up. You gotta close it for to move it further up. You gotta close it to move down. You gotta close it to move it more down. Without the close, it just goes up and down. It means nothing. You have to have the close. You have to have the close to move it. Right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles in green on 5-minute chart, getting this nice bottom right over here with a hammer on the 5-minute chart. So yeah, we are hitting the support on overextended levels. Down here at 40,900, 4,700, so we are hitting support on overextended levels. This might be it. You know how this is it when we get back above these levels. When we get, what am I gonna say? Above this level, If we can get back above this level up here, 42,000, that's also 20 moving average on the 5-minute chart. I mean, that might be it. Now, I'm not saying that this, this bottom is, local bottom or long-term bottom, but it's bottom for this stamp right now. So what has to happen? The price has to do something like this, I think. I think the price has to do something, some sideways movement, some upwards movement. It has to do something so these indicators on the bottom, can reset the price a little bit and then continue the dumpage or whatever it's gonna do. But right now, it looks like this is pretty decent pump on even on the 5-minute chart. Pretty decent pump, 2.3% up from 10%, something like that. Crypto is so funny guy. 2 days ago bearish, yesterday bullish to 200k. Now he says it's a bad news. You have to understand how this works. YouTube YouTube technical analysis doesn't work the same way. YouTubers cannot be long-term bullish. They cannot be short-term bullish. Wait, YouTubers cannot just look at one price, long-term price always. We gotta go and look at it. 1 hourly and 4 hourly price. To make it more exciting. It's gonna hit 38. It's a nice triangle daily chart. It's gonna hit 38. It's not triangle daily chart. Let's see the daily chart. I mean, if you got something that I don't have, let's remove the lines for us a little bit. We'll add them back because we know where the support and resistance lies. You can see here now that the lines are a little bit removed and chart is a little bit cleaner. You can see here that we went all the way back down to this 100 moving average and bounced off of that. There was also, let's see, there was also some support down here. This one, I think. Yeah, that's nice. So you see, there is definitely supports that are holding. These are daily supports. Weekly supports are not there. There's 20 moving average right over here, give or take 20 moving average. So a lot of support right over here right now. Now we did get to some kind of extended levels, and right now we are holding these levels. So all nice, and then this is not good. But let's see if this next 5 minutes can actually get back up with it. If you start getting rejected up here again, it doesn't look good. But we do not want to cross this level down here. I mean, technically, if you do cross it, you get another dip before you go, because this cannot go forever, right? That we know so much. This cannot go forever. Right now, bouncing towards the upside. Let's see 5-minute chart up here. It's almost like the previous moon and crash, but in miniature. Yeah, fractals, man, fractals. Let's see how this. Technically speaking, guys, the moon phases, the moon is still on. Technically speaking, the moon is still on. You can see here, although we are going down, or although we went down here, we are still going technically upside, right? The new moon pushes down. The full moon is pushing us up, but we gotta go up, down. There is no such thing like going straight up, right? So technically speaking, the moon is still working. The moon is still intact, and moon is still gonna push us out. Now, if you don't know how important the moons are, you gotta check the moon chart. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit up here. I'm gonna explain to you really quick about moon chart while we wait for Bitcoin to form some kind of bottom down here. I'm gonna explain to you really quick. We did the theory, we did the science, and we figured out supermoons and miniature moons are creating the bottoms, guys. There is a video on this and the tops as well. So what we have figured out is that the tops and the bottoms come when these. If I can just use the draw chart, the top and the bottom up here, top, bottom, You know, these things happen on these very special occasions. Next one is between the 20th November, 20th December, exactly on the 4th of December. Something big is gonna happen, big. And after that, you're gonna go to the, you know, July and this is January, February style. So we think some kind of bottom or some kind of top up here is gonna happen exactly between the November and December, exactly on the 4th of December, and that's the date. Why that? Let me not explain too much, but this new moon is corresponding with a perigee. This is a micro moon and also a full eclipse. So we got three things happening at the same time on the 4th of December, and that's gonna, you know, smack the price either towards the upside or downside. The full moons and new moons, you know, they are bearish or bullish, but when corresponding to the pedigree or apogee, they might be, you know, indicate some kind of bottom or tops. That said, let's go back to our 5-minute chart here, without the moons, of course, and let's see what's happening on the 5-minute chart. Are we trying to get back above it? Are we climbing the moving averages? We are not yet climbing. It looks like some kind of nice bottom down here, but it's not getting us the reaction we want, you know. The reaction we want, a big reaction. Now here was a big reaction, right? But then you got the secondary dip. This is on the 4-hourly time frame, so you know, you got a big dip, second bigger, and then we move towards the upside. So you know, I'm not saying that that cannot happen, that we get a dip and then secondary dip and stuff like that, but right now hitting the support on overextended levels, they just don't push it down. They usually just, you know, get some kind of a, you know, stoppage there before, you know, pushing down, or they go up and then push down later, like over here. And we back to full moon. Yeah, we always get back to full moon. Thank you for your patience, TLI. No problem, man. Altcoins are not moving too much. I don't know, man. Altcoins right now, they were around 15-16% lately, but right now I'm looking at altcoins, they're around back at 10-12%, something 13%. They pulled back a little bit. Let's see, Cardano pulled back a little bit. AVAX pull back a little bit. AVAX still holding this very important 50 moving average. This on the 4-hourly though. BNB pulled back a little. So everything pulled back a little bit, just like Bitcoin. But you know, Bitcoin is the important one. Bitcoin is the alpha and omega right now, and Bitcoin looks like this might be nice. If he can even hold below the moving average up here, if he can even hold above it here and then smack towards the upside, that'd be nice. Let's see. Look at 1-hourly. 1-hourly is climbing here nicely. But this looks like a fractal of a... this looks like a fractal. 1 minute looked like a fractal of this up here. No, 4-hourly. Okay, let's look at a fractal up here. Let's split the chart in two. Let's see here. Let's go to the 1 minute chart on this chart up here. 1 minute chart. I don't know. It looks like a fractal. You see here? Are we gonna get that? This is 1 minute chart. It looks like it's playing out, guys. It looks like playing out. The fractal. This is 1 minute chart. And this is 4 hours chart. It kind of looks the same, guys. It kind of looks the same. I'm not gonna lie. It kind of looks the same. It's kind of looks the same. They're gonna dump down below the 20 moving average. Now, if the if this 1-hourly chart is playing out exactly as 4-hourly chart, you know, we might see back down to these levels down here. Now, that wouldn't be nice. That wouldn't be nice. But for so long, we are still holding this. This 20 moving average down here. The interesting part is gonna come. How many minutes we have? 29 minutes left to the 29 minutes left to the close of the 1-hourly and 4-hourly time frame. So the 1-hourly to 4-hourly time frame is gonna be the most important time frames to watch for. So in 29 minutes, exactly in 29 minutes, we're gonna know what's gonna happen. You know, where we are gonna close, below what levels are we closing, what did we break on the downside, stuff like that. 38k is the target. I mean, people are talking about 38k for very long. Maybe we get some kind of double bottom, guys. Maybe we get some kind of double bottom up here. This looks like it's getting some kind of support, you know. But we'll see how this works out. This is 1 minute chart. This is 1 minute chart, so you know, too early. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. We're gonna see how this actually plays out. It sounds like Kazakhstan disco. I don't know, guys. I don't know. My poll says, did you press the like button? 422 votes for yes and yes. While we only have like something like 238 likes. Are you not entertained? Is this not entertaining enough for you guys? Is this not entertaining? Am I not? Should I take off my shirt? Maybe, I don't know. What's entertaining enough for the like button? I don't know. I think it's entertaining, but you know, if you don't think it's entertaining, that's fine. But if you do think it's entertaining enough, like, press the like button. Time for Dodge Daddy. Time for Dodge Daddy. Triangle and daily from 64 bottom to 34 center. I wanna see that, man. But here we go. This pattern is not actually, you know, playing exactly the same, but you know, might do something like this up here. So you're right now back below the moving averages on the 1 minute chart. So the 5 minute chart should look ugly as well. Yeah, getting rejected on the 5 minute chart looks ugly, guys. Looks ugly. We don't know where the support is. We don't know where the support is. Let's go back to the lineup here. Just you is enough, man. Ah, thanks, man. Just me is enough. Link or like? It's like you know, typing error. It's always like. Link button. There is no links, guys. Okay, there's links down below, you know, but the like button is the important one. You know, did you press the like and link? Okay, let's see the 5 minute chart here. This is a big support down here. Big support kicking in right over here. So if you do something like this, you know, that's gonna be nice. Anything that can keep us above this support, anything that keeps us above support is nice. Anything that can keep us above the support. Dodge Daddy song. I don't know if you're gonna play the Dodge Daddy yet. You know, when we hit the button, maybe I'm gonna put the Dodge Daddy just to pick up the mood. But right now we are looking for the very bottom, right? So we're gonna see how this managed to actually play out. Let's see on the 4-hourly time frame. It is support, guys. It is support. There is no other way around it. It's a big support. This is actually daily supports up here. This is daily supports kicking in. I need smaller keyboard because this is too big. These supports up here. They are kicking in, even down the one down here. Right now, that's the support, guys. This is the support. If we break this on the downside with 100 moving average, we cannot break this on downside. If you break this on downside, like you know, 40k support as button. Maybe some kind of double button, but you know, double button usually like bam, you know, bam. Bam, and then go up. It's like bam. It doesn't do like this, you know. It don't do that. It don't do that. It don't do that. Dodge Daddy is evil. China buys El Salvador. China is like, hey guys, yeah, don't buy Bitcoin, don't buy Bitcoin. We're gonna just let El Salvador buy everything, and then we're gonna buy El Salvador. China knows how to play the game, guys. China knows how to play the game. Do not underestimate China. You know. Can we get to... No, we're not. 340 is okay. 340 is okay. China FUD. You know, every year there is a China FUD, guys. Every year there is China FUD. So, you know, you gotta... If it's not China, it's Korea FUD. It's not Korea FUD, it's, you know, Japan FUD. You know, it's always some kind of FUD, guys. It's always some kind of FUD. And we are going below the support here on the 5 minute chart right now. 3.43 minutes left. 3.43 minutes left. 3.40 minutes. We don't want to close below that. Is there any kind of support down there? You don't need MACD to find the bottoms. We are looking for some kind of bottom right now. It is getting close. And this move towards downside, this 5 minute move do not want to go down. This 5 minute move doesn't want to go down. Because it goes down, you get divergence again. I think maybe people are understanding that you cannot push down more today. That's it. You cannot push it down more. 1 hourly. God, look at this, guys. Look at this 1 hourly. 1 hourly. You gotta go far back. You gotta go far back to find these kind of extensions on the 1 hourly away from 10 moving average. This is the 50% drop. This is the 50% drop. It does. I mean, on the move down, we're not saying this is the bottom because these moves do happen, but these are overextended. Every time these things happen, the price pulls back. Every time this happens, the price pulls back. Every time this happens, the price pulls back towards the upside, right? So that's what we are looking for. We are looking for a pullback. We are not looking for the actual bottom. You know, actual bottom, you gotta go to the daily time frame, and we are not overextended on that for right now. Down here, we are a little bit overextended, you know, looking for some kind of bottom. But right now, on the daily, we are not there. We are not there. So we are looking for this kind of bottom on the small time frame, overextended levels. We are looking, and right now we are getting a ton of a huge amount of support right over here. So this is gonna be, you know, if we break this on the downside and close here in exactly what's 1 hourly closing, 22 minutes. If in 22 minutes we close below down here, that might actually be terrible for the price. That's gonna be super terrible for the price. I don't know how to explain, but that's gonna be super terrible for the price. Closing down below the support on the small time frames, 1 hourly and 4 hourly will close below here. This is 1 hourly, this 4 hourly, this 1 hour. 1 hour is all the way down here. 4 hours, you know, this is gonna be bad. This is gonna be bad. First super chat of the day, Bluebirds of Ball Cookie. $5. Thanks, man, for money. Appreciate money. All the money goes to wife's iPhone. El Salvador is going to buy everything, and then we are going to buy El Salvador. That made me lol for real. Yeah, but you know, they're using all day cash and stuff like that, and then we just go in and just take over El Salvador, and you know, we got everything. Bear market is close below support. Bear market is close below. So no, this is small time. If you wanna bear market, you gotta go below this level down here. That's 38 level. This is 38 level. You want a bear market, you go below 38. But you know, it's been a nice, you know, move towards the upside. It's been a nice move towards the upside. We are still looking for more move to upside, but you don't know when it's coming. Dude, have you looked at the DXY or Nasdaq? Yes, but we are always looking. We are looking at the DXY almost, you know, every week, at least once, 2 times a week. But right now, DXY, and we are only looking at on the dollar index on the weekly time frame, because you know, you don't want to look at it on daily time frame. It just messes you up. Weekly time frame right now, if we break this level up here of resistance, if we break that of resistance up here, we are going first some kind of 94 and then 97, because this head and shoulders on the weekly time frame on the dollar index is showing us that the target should be around 97. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep it in mind. It is still going definitely on the weekly on the upside. You can see here we went up down to the support, went up down to support, and right now bouncing towards the upside. So this is definitely going towards the upside. Mir 6, how long have you been streaming? Right now 1 hour and 50 minutes, man. Thanks for stopping by again. 1 hour and 50 minutes. So it's not that long. Tom Chalky, $50. Long time lurker. Appreciate everything you do, man. Thanks. Tom, I appreciate the $50. It's gonna help towards the iPhone. Big bucks coming in now. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. I love the money. I don't know if you noticed that, but I like the super chest. Love the money. You know. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Tom Chalky. Tom Chalky. Thanks, man. Okay, let's go back. Right now, Bitcoin is going on the 5-minute chart. Still keeping this support. It knows, I think Bitcoin knows, if it falls back below the support over here, it's gonna have the divergence. It's gonna have the divergence, and it can, you know, it has to bounce. So if we fall below support, I might assume that what's gonna happen, or if we fall the support up here, if we fall the support, what's gonna happen? We're gonna have a wick down and then right back up. So we might get some kind of a V-shape, you know, recovery down here. Like, I don't see any other way, but I'm definitely feeling it. I'm feeling it in my blood. The Singaporean, 699 bucks, the best T8. Thanks, man. Appreciate the money. You are the best. You are disappointed, but you are the best Singaporean, man. Thanks, man. But I'm feeling, you know, I'm feeling in the body, you know, that, you know, the gut feeling, they are pushing in on purpose, because there is 18 minutes left on 1 hourly and 4 hourly, 18 minutes left, 50. They want to close below certain levels, and we want to find out where do they want to close. So there's going to be a big fight in 18 minutes to find out where it's going to close. It's going to close above, below, how it's going to work out. Why is everybody hyping ADA? Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, guys. Is ADA gonna, you know, is ADA gonna show the way? Is ADA gonna show the way? Look at that. I don't know what happened here. I don't know what happened here. What the bugly box. Look at that. Look at that. 5-minute chart. Is ADA the leading indicator of Bitcoin right now? You missed Arafat. What was that, guys? What was that? How could we miss? You didn't tell me in time, guys. I cannot watch all the crypto. I cannot watch all the crypto. But let's see what Ethereum is doing. Ethereum is climbing the 5-minute chart. It's only Bitcoin that's messing up. It's only Bitcoin. I think people are seeing it. I think people are seeing it because this cannot go down. If you go down here, you get divergence on the 5-minute chart. I think people are seeing it. But there is still 20 minutes left. It's too early. It's too early. It's too early. I don't know if this can hold. Ethereum right now, trying to get back above the 10 moving average. You can see it here. Cardano already did that, bouncing back a little bit now. As soon as he did that, look at this. First step above 10 moving average. Try to get above the 20. Above 20, bam! Right up there to the sky. Didn't even wait. China buy cheap era. China FUD doesn't affect. You know, I think people understood that China FUD only concerns, you know, currencies like Bitcoin, Tether, Litecoin, not you know, Cardano, Ethereum and stuff like that. XRP, is XRP bouncing? XRP getting close to the bounce. Are we gonna watch the bounce on XRP, guys? Are we gonna watch the bounce on XRP? Let's see where Bitcoin is right now. Bitcoin is still down below 10 moving average. iPhones aren't cheap. Happy wife, happy life. Tom Chalky, you the man. Best commentary ever. Tom Chalk, if you keep doing this, you know, I'm gonna buy two. Best comment. Okay, let's go back to XRP because XRP looks like it's gonna break. XRP 1 minute and 40 seconds. It's gonna do the same thing as Cardano did. You can see here Cardano did up to the 20 moving average, went back down. Wait, where is Cardano? Where is Cardano right now? It went down and then bounced. Once it closed above 20 moving average, it bounced hard. So what we are looking for right now on XRP, where is XRP? We are looking to close above. There we go. We are above it. 1 minute 16 seconds on XRP. If it close above the 20 moving average on XRP just might do the same move Cardano did over here. You can see here we are closing above it. We are closing above this resistance as well. It wants to go. I think maybe Bitcoin has to capitulate soon. Right now it's going inside this triangle down here. It has nowhere left to go. It cannot push it anymore. There is a huge support right below us. I think everybody's seeing that right now. There is a huge support right below us up here. There's huge support and Bitcoin cannot push the price down. We are now overextend level, but they're still trying to hold the Bitcoin down. They're trying to manipulate the Bitcoin on the downside. They're holding down for 15 more minutes. They gotta do that. They're trying to crash some, you know, they're trying to keep the below certain levels. Maybe it's this level down up here. Where is this level here on the 5-minute chart? That's the 20 moving average. Can they hold Bitcoin down for next 12 minutes on the 5-minute chart below the 20 moving average? So 5 minutes, that's 3-4 candles left. I mean, it's gonna take a lot. Let's go back to XRP right now. XRP 6 seconds to close. Is XRP, guys, XRP gonna pump? Is XRP gonna pump on this candle? Let's see, guys. Let's see if XRP does the same thing Cardano does. Is XRP, if I can just make the poll, if it just wants to pop up, it doesn't want to pop up. There we go. New poll. Is XRP gonna pump in next 10? Let's give 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Maybe. I'm just typing. Let me see. And press down. No. Okay. There you go. Let's see what you guys think. It's gonna be the same thing that Cardano did. Or where is Cardano right now? Cardano doesn't give a F. Cardano is closing above the 200 moving average on the 5-minute chart. It's above the 200 moving average on 5-minute chart. We're gonna see if this actually can manage to actually get below. Look here, look on Cardano, man. This is 4-hourly chart on Cardano. Look at this week, guys. If this isn't bullish, I don't know what's gonna be bullish, guys. This 51 now, it's still got 13 minutes left for the close, but it wants to close, guys. And I'm seeing altcoins right now around 10%, give or take, a little bit above 10%. So they're not yet quite there. And XRP, let's go XRP to the 5-minute chart. See XRP. Will it hold? Maybe it waits for one more pump, one more candle. There we go. Turn into green. How is the poll doing right now? 5-10 minutes. 44% yes, 23% maybe, 34% no. 140 votes, guys. We're gonna see how this actually works out. But yeah, I mean, if Cardano pumped like why shouldn't XRP pump? On my chart, nothing else is in green. What is in green, guys? What is in green? Harmony 1 is running. Harmony 1. Let's see Harmony 1. There is it. Why? Oh, it's up here. Up here. It's up here. Sorry, I was looking at. Yeah, it's starting to go. It's starting to go. Let's split up the chart. How many charts can we have? I don't know. I don't know. What's gonna? This is Harmony 1. This is Harmony 1 running. This is Bitcoin. Let's put Bitcoin up here. Let's put Bitcoin up here. Because, you know, Bitcoin 5-minute chart. Bitcoin managed to get above the 5-minute chart, guys. Bitcoin managed to get above the 5-minute chart. Let's see here. Harmony 1, somebody said is running. So let's keep Harmony 1 up here. Where is Harmony 1? It's gonna take a while. We should have done this before they actually started running towards the upside. Let's see up here. Who's gonna put up here? Let's look at what XRP is doing up here. XRP 8.34. Let's go to 5-minute chart up here. This is XRP, so you can see it up here. XRP. That's XRP. Also, we need all of the indicator for XRP. There we go. So you can see it up here. XRP also wants to go the same thing as Harmony. And this one, the last one. Which one I'm gonna look at the last one? Koti, everybody wants Koti. 1, 2, 3 Koti. Yeah, Koti, guys. Why a lot of Koti, guys? Koti, guys. Okay, let's look at Koti, guys, up here in this chart up here. 5-minute chart. This 5-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 5-minute chart going up. Yeah, it's climbing as well. So it looks like this is it, guys. This, you know, this might have been the bottom on the Bitcoin right now. This might have been the bottom on the Bitcoin right now. We are, you know, trying to go up. You can see it's back above the. But you know, we need some reference. We need something has to go. Harmony has to go. We need a reference. Cardano is the reference point. Cardano is the reference point. So we got a Bitcoin, Cardano. This is Bitcoin, this is Cardano, this is XRP, and this is Koti. So you see here that Cardano managed to get back above the. This is the 5-minute chart. So you know everything should get back above the 200 moving average, 200 moving average, 200 moving average. Even the Bitcoin, where is 200 moving average? Waiting on down up here up 44. So I don't know if we're gonna do that on Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is a reference chart. Still something like 11 minutes left to the close. So this is gonna be interesting to see. Cardano pushing back down. How many minutes left on the 1 minute left? So will it actually manage to get back above 1 minute chart? Is looking like it's a little bit weak. Can it hold another 5-minute chart above the 200 moving average? Koti definitely pumped up to the 200 moving average. XRP doesn't want to go. XRP goes, but you know, we said 5 to 10 minutes, so 5 10 minutes. So we're gonna give it 2 candles on the XRP, you know, to see if this does, you know, Cardano move. It does Cardano move. Bitcoin is definitely doing the right now something. So you're gonna see how this actually plays out. This is over here. That's Bitcoin. Where's Solana? Yeah, the shakeout. The China file came at exactly nice moment, you know. So the dip was delicious. So you're gonna see how much this can pump. But right now on my chart, like everything, a lot of altcoins, you know, we've been saying through the stream, like right now altcoins are 10%, 15%. But right now, most of the altcoins are around 10% or even below the 10%. So I think they are pumping. I think a lot of stuff is pumping right now. Let's see here, Phantom right now. This Phantom 5-minute chart, you can see Phantom is pumping. This is Golem. Golem doesn't have. Let's see Fyro. Fyro. I know a lot about Fyro. Just above the 20 moving average. Let's see Dant. I know who likes Dant. Dent is also about 20 moving average up here on the 5-minute chart, and yeah, let's see this big V chain right now. But there is nothing that's pumped like something like crazy like Cardano. So either Kava, not even Kava is up. I don't know. There is one thing that's up 1% up here. Where was it? Ren is up 5%. You know that's something. That's something. V chain. So we're gonna see right now. I mean, these are the small time frames, so we're gonna see how this actually works out. But small time frames. Okay, let's go back to the big chart up here and see how they go. Look how it's looking. How much time do we have left on the 1 hourly? 8 minutes and 50 seconds. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Let's see the 4 hourly. You know, if we pull back right now, it's not actually a good thing. It's not actually a good thing. If we pull back right now, because that's not gonna give us overextend levels. These overextend levels down here are on the on the wicks. So no, these are not on the wicks. Yeah, we are overextend down here. We are extremely overextended down here at 40,009. So maybe that was the bottom. Maybe this was the bottom. We are trying to climb right now. but it could not push it down. It could not push it down anymore over here. So right now climbing a little bit. We're gonna see when we get, if we can get above this line. This blue line is the benchmark right now. Where are we gonna get above the blue mark within the next, how much? 8 minutes. Next 8 minutes or not, you know, that's gonna be the benchmark. So we don't want to get above this blue. We want, actually, technically we want to get back above the blue line up here at 41,900, because this blue line is that's 4 hourly. That's 4 hourly, right? Yeah, that's 4 hourly. That's 4 hourly bottom down here. So you don't wanna close below this bottom down here. This is an engulfing candle, so this, we don't look at this, but this is the bottom down here. If we close below the bottom, that's not gonna look nice on our CV, you know. That's not gonna look that nice on our CV. Let's go to 4 hour. Let's go to the 8 hourly chart up here. Just see how this is actually working out. Yeah, there is no divergence right now. If we go below this level, there would be the divergence. So you know, we gotta stop it a little bit. We gotta stop it a little bit, so that's why we cannot push. So I think this is some kind of a intermediate bottom right now. Crypto is still in a M short on ETH and BTC, million short on ETH and BTC. Yeah, well, he always does a million shorts and longs, you know, so he always in some kind of million long or short. So you know, that's, you know, if you have a big box, you know, there is no difference between a guy that has like 10,000 and a guy that has 10 millions. I mean, people do put more significance on the guy that's, you know, trading with 10 million, but you know, when it comes to, you know, it's all about, you know, who has more profits, who has more profits, who's more correct most of the time, you know. But you know, as long as you have 6 million, yeah, 6 million, that's big bucks, but that's leverage. Still 6 million with 6x leverage, still 1 million. Tila, check that cross on EMA. No thank you. Did you cross on the 30-minute chart on XRP? Do you see a cross on the 30-minute chart on XRP? There is nothing on the XRP right now. XRP is still at 8.56. Cardano still doing move to the upside. Let's go to 5-minute chart up here. Bleed down to 34, 36, then moon. BTC going 38. Everybody wants 38. Did you guys notice? Every single guy wants 38 K Bitcoin. Every single guy. How many left? 6 minutes left. 6 minutes left. This is hourly on this is hourly on Cardano right now. Where are you from? I'm one of those newest apostles, I think. I'm one of your newest apostles, I think. Discovered you 3 days ago and already shared with all my friends. That's my donation. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I like that kind of donations as well. I'm from Norway, man. I'm from Norway. So let's see here down on the what's happening down on the 5-minute chart down here on the bottom. Are we gonna go up? I'm telling you guys, this is clear. This is clear manipulation. You can see here. We came to the support, right? And we were trying to holding it, nope, not holding that support. Went to the next support, and there is just no way to break this. But they're like, let's hold it below this line. So we still got 6 minutes left. 6 minutes left to get back above this line. You do not want to close below this line. Because that's gonna be closed on 1 hourly and the 4 hourly as well. So we don't want to close below this line of support. But that's gonna wreck us. That's gonna wreck us in the long term. If we do close below here, I don't know if this is gonna be the bottom, guys. I don't know, you know, because that's just gonna do some crazy stuff, and you know, it might dump later. I know, but no, just finished Norseman series. Yeah, that's gonna teach you. Double bottom on 5-minute chart. Yeah, it might be double sometimes bottom. You can also call them 1-minute button, double button, you know. 1 minute double button, yeah. Whatever spanks you know what. But 5-minute chart, how more minutes left? There is exactly 5 minutes left. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. So this is the last candle, guys. This is definitely the last candle. If you see here on the 4-hourly chart, we got 4 minutes left. On 1-hourly chart, 4 minutes left. On 30 minutes, 4 minutes left. Everything is happening right now on 4 minutes. 8-hourly chart. 8-hourly chart is actually 4, but 4-hourly chart is important. So let's see here on 1-minute chart. Let's watch 5-minute chart and see how this actually works out, because we still got 3 minutes and 45 seconds left. But I think they want to close it below this level. I think they want to close below this level, because if they close below this level, that's a bearish move. That's a bearish move. So although Cardano did pump up a lot right now below down here, let's see 1 hourly where it pumped a lot, but still below the 200 moving average. 4 hourly still below 50 and 10 moving average. It did nice pump towards the upside, but right now nothing is actually going to. And unfortunately, the XRP did not pump like Cardano did. I thought everything's gonna pump. It didn't. It's still being, you know, manipulated on the downside. But we're gonna see how this actually, as soon as the Bitcoin closes, we're gonna see how this actually plays out. How many Bitcoins do you have? Not as much as I want, man. Not as much as I want. Let's see here. Let's see here. 5-minute chart. We got 5-minute chart. 2.52 minutes left. 2.50 minutes left. But it looks like it's gonna close. It's not very eventful. It's not very eventful close right now. Unfortunately, you know, I was hoping there would be some kind of fight between the bulls and the bears up here, but unfortunately there is no fight. This looks like he's just gonna close that down here and then maybe pull a little bit back up, and then we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I just need 10 bitcoins. A lot of people need just X amount of bitcoins. Will it hit below 38k? It might. We never know. The thing is, we never, on this channel, we don't know where the bottom is, where the top is. What we do know where the supports are and where the resistance are, right? And from then on, it's all about, you know, bulls and bears, how much they can push the price up, how much they can push the price down, breaking the resistance, breaking the support, and how the price is gonna react. But beside that, we don't actually know. We don't actually know. We should call Elon. We did call Elon, guys. We did call Elon. By the way, 2 minutes left, 1 minute and 55 seconds left. We did call Elon. We did put, see here. Damn it, we see here. Damn it, Elon, stop the bleeding, right? Why are you not liking and sharing this, guys? Why are you not liking and sharing? We said it. Damn it, Elon, stop the bleeding. We are calling out for Elon. Yeah, you gotta like and share. You gotta like and share. You're not liking and sharing, so of course we cannot, you know, we cannot do much about it. We cannot do much about it. 1 minute 30 seconds left. 1 minute. Now we can go to the minute chart. There are two minutes left. This one over here and the next one. 23 seconds left. There we go. Pushing it a little bit up. Maybe it's gonna go. Maybe 1 minute is all we need. I mean, this is not a lot, guys. This is only something like 0.78% towards the upside. Why channel release news only when I buy? Because they are listening on your phones and they know exactly the moment you buy and sell. Expect full call from Elon soon. Elon just pumped it. Why is he getting bothered? We need to retweet to Elon. We need to shout out. Elon, save us. Stop the bleeding. Say you bought more Bitcoin. There we go. 44 seconds left. Let's see. It's 42 seconds left. We're gonna see here on this 1 minute close. But this is the level to actually get above. It seems to be an uneventful level. But this looks like it's gonna go towards the upside, but after we close below this level, and that's what's bothering me. We are closing below the level. 25 seconds left. 25 seconds left. Let's see the volume up here. There's no volume. This probably gonna close below this level, and you know, that's not good. That's not good. Closing below. We closed above some levels. I mean, we hold the support, so that's good. But we closed below the level. XRP is the best and strongest one. 6 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close. Just in between. There we go. We got a 1 hourly close, guys. We got a 1 hour close, and now we can continue dumping because we have closed below the level. So if you do something like it, you know, it's nice. 4 hourly also closed below the support. Unfortunately, we closed below the support. So 4 hourly and 1 hourly closed below the support, and this is a very bad move for crypto right now. It might just, you know, go to the upside right now because we are extended on the downside. Let's see the extensions. Let's see the extensions right now. You see, once you close it, you close it at a certain level, right? So right now this extension on the downside is legit right now. So whether this is the bottom or not, it kind of depends. Let's see on the 1 minute chart. It's kind of pushing it back down again. 5 minute chart, getting some kind of support. These things can take a while. These things can take a while. But the support did kick in. The support did kick in. So we're gonna see here if the support is gonna get broken or not. The bearish thing is that we actually closed below this level. We closed below 41.9. We closed below this level down here. We closed below this level. Let's see down here. We did close below. Yeah, we closed below that one as well. So everything. This is 1 hour. Let's see the 4 hourly. Where is the 4 hourly? Yeah, the 4 hourly is up here. The 1 hourly is down here. So these small levels we did close below. So technically we did close below. That's why we are right now continuing the downside. But we are already extended. So you know this is we are unsure how long this can continue. Now Cardano is had a big pump. I don't know what this, you know, Cardano had a big pump, but nothing else followed. We were looking at the XRP, but XRP didn't follow. XRP going out for support. It did not bounce, unfortunately. So it is a bad close, guys. It is a bad close down here. Oh, they're rolling over. Yeah, rolling over. That's good. I want cheap coins. It's gonna be nice. It's over. Is this the end? I don't know, man. I don't know. It's not the end, but you know, there is. Let's see 1 minute chart. There's some kind of triangle forming up here, so we're gonna see where we end out of this triangle. There is definitely a very nice triangle going on here. I don't know which triangle it is. We're gonna adjust it a little bit. Maybe something like this up here. Maybe there's some kind of 1 minute triangle up here, so we're gonna see where we exit out of the triangle. Another leg down coming. It might be another leg down because we closed below very certain, very important supports on the downside. We closed below very important supports on the downside, so whether we actually, you know, continue down or not, it kind of depends. It kind of depends. Where is the another 2 hours and we'll know where BIT is going, up or down. Yeah, we're gonna stream for another 2 hours. No, we're not. So let's see the 5 minute chart. Is Bitcoin again going back? Yeah, Bitcoin is again for one again going down below the 5 minute chart up here. But there is some kind of triangle formation going on here, at least on the 1 minute chart. So we're gonna see how this actually plays out. But there is a huge support down here at 40,000. Now closing again below 40,000 might actually indicate move towards downside. Let's see here. It's not, although we did get some kind of support on the support, and we bounced a little bit on the small time frames. It's not. I don't know if it's enough. I don't know if it's enough. I don't know if it's enough. I don't know if it's enough for us to, you know, continue the move towards the upside or not. But the extensions are getting smaller, so definitely pushing it is harder. Divergence, no divergence, no divergence, no divergence. Is there a bearish divergence here? No divergence up here. So it is playing as it should play. So we're gonna see if this actually bounces towards the upside. I was waiting for this drop since weeks. Don't take it ever tired going down. I mean, we did go up for a very long time, you know, so maybe some kind of move towards downside might help. Buy the bull, sell the green. What's your bear market BT target if 60k was top? Around 15,000 or something like that. 200 moving average on the daily, I think. No, the weekly. Down here. 15,000. Can you check MLM? MLM. Yeah, it's going up, man. What do you want to say? It's going up. It's a new coin that's going up, okay? There is not much to say, man. These pumps might be some kind of manipulation sell-off, manipulation sell-off, manipulation sell-off. When you see this kind of see this kind of pattern, it's usually manipulation. It's usually some kind of pump and dumps. So they pump the coin and then they sell off, right? They sell off. See here, it pumps in really fast and then, you know, sell off, and pump, sell off, right? Pump, sell off, right? So these pumps are really hard to get, you know. So if you are gonna get into it, you gotta get into it during the sell-off, whatever the bottom for the sell-off is, right? But it looks like manipulation, like pump and dump manipulation. Yeah, it looks like PND crap. China bans all crypto, everything will fall a lot. No, China didn't ban all crypto, they banned cryptocurrencies. Like Amazon, how can China ban crypto when we have right now, where is it? This Fear and Greed Index, right now 33. China, yeah, China based, but when Chainlink right now has like collaboration with Amazon services. Like, crypto is not going anywhere, you know. Maybe it's not going anywhere in China, but you know, it's not going anywhere. Like, crypto is here to stay. Crypto is here to stay, guys. You know, it just FUD. It just FUD. 5-minute chart breaking below 10 moving average again, but we are still in this triangle, 1 minute triangle. So we're gonna see how this actually plays out. This 1 minute triangle. Are we gonna get? Is this some kind of pennant where it breaks down, or it's gonna, you know, break on the upside eventually? DOG. There's no need for calling people names when you're trying to tell them something, you know. It doesn't work that well. And let's see if they pump or dump. DXY is dumping too. You know, people are coming to my channel every single day and say it's pumping, it's dumping, it's doing something. This is 1 minute chart of DXY. You know, they're looking at the daily time frame. Even on the daily time frame, it's up. So how can you say that it's dumping? Because on daily it's up, on weekly it's up, it's going up, guys. The DXY is going up. The DXY is going up. Can BTC go to 38k? I think it can go to 38. I'm not saying it cannot go to 38. I think it can. Like, there is no reason why it can go. Like, especially if we break this, if we go below this 40k right now. After that, it's like 38k. It's like actually 39k. But you know, who's counting? It's up here. You know, these are the supports. These are the supports. So can price go from over here down to here? Yeah, it can. There's no need. There is no reason why it cannot do that. If it's getting pushed down a lot, you know, with China knows and everything. So we're gonna see how this actually, you know, plays out. 1 minute chart. Let's see if this triangle works out. Let's see if triangle works out, and we get a dump or pump. Because if it goes down up here, you know, that might be, you know, time to get it. Big movement or quick consolidation should come very soon. Yeah, like you should do this every time it dumps still. The countdown thrill is awesome. It does help with the you know, you don't feel that alone, you know, when stuff goes down. I've seen better moons. It's good moon. It's good moon, guys. It's good moon. Maybe you see better moons, but you know, but it's good moon, guys. It's a good moon. It's good moon, guys. See here, it's good moon. Don't say anything about moons. See here, nice moon. We don't have problem with moons yet. No problem with the moon. Should we buy NFT? Well, I heard there is something called Invisible Ether Rocks. I don't know if that's your thing. Sorry, I was looking at USD index. Hoping candle close bring us to 38k now. Okay, guys, let's see this 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart. Oh, we can move the lines. It's okay, guys. It's okay. We can move the line. We can move the line. No problem. Actually, we cannot move the line. There is no line we can draw that this is gonna help us, guys. There is no line to draw. There is no line to draw. There is no line. There is no line. Everything is broken. Maybe something like this. Maybe something like this. Let's keep the hopium up. Say something like this. The stock RSI on the 4 hour is on a downtrend for most coins. Yeah, we don't look at it that much on stock RSI. Don't be scared, it's less correction. We'll see that, we'll see about that. 8.27% down. Cardano is, you know, going back towards the line. Maybe if it gets support here. If the Cardano breaks the 20 moving average down here, you know, that's not gonna look good. That's not gonna look good though. XRP sitting on the 20 moving average. Guys, do you know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of cup and handle pattern. This move up here. You know, It reminds me of Cup and Handle Panther. So maybe XRP right now is doing this here, but you don't want to break it down here. You know, you want to hold this level up here. And then you want to climb about this and you get up. Get up. Just manipulation. I'm not afraid in the slightest. It's to scare people. Well, it is working. The scare thing is working. Yellow X on market cipher 10 minutes BTC just appear after close. I don't know what microcipher does. Moon goes downwards. No, it's still going upwards. It's still going upwards, guys. It's still going. The moon is still going upwards. You just don't know how to read the moon, but moon still goes upwards. BTC 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart. Let's see 1-minute chart. You're getting a little sword. So there is some kind of support down here. Let's use that. Let's use that. Pivot point. Yeah, it's good enough. Let's call this. So we got on the upside, we got 1, 2, 3 touches. On the downside, 1, 2, 3 touches. So we're gonna see whether this actually breaks out. What about BTC, bro? This is BTC, man. That's what we're watching at. What other interesting coins do we have? Cake. I know some of my patrons like Cake. Cake, this is 1-minute chart. Let's go to 5-minute chart up here. Cake also doing the same thing. Guys, is this Head and Shoulders? Is this Head and Shoulders on 1-minute chart, guys? Is this Head and Shoulders? Maybe it's already played out. Maybe this is Head and Shoulders. Let's see if some other has nicer. Let's see Ethereum. The trend line. We forgot about the trend line, guys. We forgot about a trend line. Downtrend line. Something like this, give or take, right? Something like this. It might be getting close. It might be getting close. This is 1 minute. But did Bitcoin break the 1 minute? No, Bitcoin didn't break 1 minute either. It's gonna be interesting right now. Up again 2 days. But it's not corresponding to the moons though. Great store of value Bitcoin is. Well, technically it is. If you bought Bitcoin 2000 level, you would still have Bitcoin. I mean, it stores value. What the heck is Hex? Hex is a thing that goes up. The Hex is built to go up. Everything they put into Hex is to make the price go up. Hex is just built around the idea to make the price go up. It's, you know, what the heck is Dogecoin like? Options 2x 2000 speed to catch up. China central bank declared all crypto illegal. Yeah, we know that. Bitcoin moon didn't even eventuate this year so far. It's just another trading instrument. Don't get too attached. Yeah, don't get too attached. DK knows what's up. It's just another trading instrument. So we're gonna see when these downtrends get wrecked. Hard should release Hex 2. Could you imagine how many would get on board? He did release Hex 2. You don't know? You're late. It's not called Hex 2, it's called Pulse Chain. China Fadiat. There we go, guys. We're gonna look at some altcoins right now. What you think, huh? I don't know what. Wi-Fi is fine. Stock crashing, BTC wanna be gold. Oh, by the way, today's Friday. We gotta look at stocks, guys. We gotta look. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's the thing, man. No, the stocks are up. What are you talking about, man? They are actually up. Is this gonna close? Oh. So, this is the benchmark for... When did they open? Is the market open? Market's still closed. Oh, it hasn't opened yet. It hasn't opened yet. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Yeah, the market is not open yet, so we're gonna see how this actually works out. But just say it on Dow Jones, you don't wanna close below here, and you wanna close above here. You know, you wanna get above today, above this level, and you do not wanna get close below this level down here. So you don't wanna close below 20 moving average. Not this one. Let's see. Go back to Bitcoin right now. See what Bitcoin is doing. 7.94. Let's see 5-minute chart. It's just playing around. It's just playing around. It just get into this triangle pattern. So guys, I love this crypto space, but be safe. Take care of your fund. Do your research. $7 p.m. Test Moon will perfect its conjunction with Uranus. Bang. I don't know if that's something that's a big thing. One more try. Do you have an opinion about Sia Coin? Their goal is to become a backup of internet. Fundamentally, no. I don't have any fun ideas about anything. You know, technicals maybe if I look at it, but you know, fundamental no. Okay, I'm selling now. Kebman, if you're selling, I'm buying. If you're selling, I'm buying. How you doing, man? Long time no see. Long time no see. Where did you buy, man? Where did you buy? Is it worth getting 100k Reef tokens? Is it worth what? Should we sell and buy back at 37? Well, if you don't sell it and you think buying 37 is gonna help you, you're just being greedy, you know, you're just being greedy. And usually people that are greedy, they usually mess up. But you know, I'm not saying if you wanna buy and sell, you know, that's your thing, but you know, that's greed, that's greed. It's fear combined with greed. No, sell now and buy back at 100k. Kebman knows what's up. Kebman knows what's up. This is taking forever to play out. If it doesn't break this trend right now, 1 minute trend. Are we gonna break the 1 minute trend? Come on, let's break the 1 minute trend. That's this line over here, guys. Let's break the 1 minute trend. Come on. Can we break the 1 minute trend, guys? Check on XRP, please. XRP is not doing it. We checked it a couple of times. 8.71%. Cardano a little bit down, 5.38% right now. Are we gonna break the 1 minute trend, guys? Don't sell, you might miss the train if that doesn't happen. Matic broke the trend though. Matic broke the trend. XRP. I can say XRP broke the trend as well. Solana. These guys, these are 1 minute trends, so you know. Solana maybe broke the trend. Cardano definitely broke the trend, and Bitcoin is yet to break the trend. How about Ethereum? Ethereum is still trying to break the trend. There we go. There we go. Oh, can you do it? Come on, boy. Come on, boy. You can do it. You can do it. Go, 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 go. You know you want to, come on, man. Is this some kind of rising wedge? No, it's more, it looks like more like expanding wedge than rising wedge. If there's some kind of rising wedge on Ethereum, let's see what's happening on XRP then. I would say this one. Channel, more like a channel. Buy, hold, sell, roll, remember. ATL, do you see a symmetrical triangle of BTC on the weekly starting from 2020 bottom? Maybe, but you know, it's weekly. It takes too long to play out. We'll do that another time, man. Oh, look at that! Look at this nice pump above the this resistance. Look at this, and then retest, and now we're going to the moon, right? So let's see Bitcoin right now, also doing the same thing. But it had a big wick down, so you're gonna see that. Let's see 5-minute chart. Still not above the 20 moving average. What is it doing? What is it doing? What is Bitcoin doing? It's above the 20 moving average. I don't know, guys. Let's see. Let's go for the one last move up here. Let's remove everything. Let's see what I'm interested in right now is the overextensions level. The 1 hourly is definitely overextended, so 1 hourly definitely. Right now with overextension and hitting the support, I don't think it is just gonna dump down. I think we have to wait a couple of hours for these moving averages to come a little bit down and then break the support. Let's see 4 hourly. 4 hourly also very extended on the downside and sitting on the support. So just breaking the support right now doesn't make any sense. So I think it's gotta wait a little bit. Daily time frame got rejected by the 10 moving average and fell down to the support. Maybe today we're gonna go down more, but right now 15-minute chart. Because these 5-minute chart and 1-minute chart don't matter that much. They don't matter that much, right? So what you ultimately want to do, you want to see these bigger time frames, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, stuff like that, break certain levels. But this is just gonna take way long time to see how this actually plays out. Okay, guys, what do you want to see? Let's look at altcoins. Does Solana go up? Please tell. Solana. Let's look at the big time frames up here. Now it gets rejected, man. This Solana climbing on the moving averages and try to get above, could not get rejected. Right now getting rejected for a second time. It doesn't look good, but this 50 moving average should give it some support, because 50 moving average on the daily usually is some kind of very nice support. So you got this support down here at 46, you got a 10-20 moving average down here, but on daily this 50 moving average. Now 50 moving average also corresponds very nicely with nothing. But this first level of support on the weekly time frame, it is a little bit overbought. Solana went into, you know, Solana was pumped up, you know, but last two weeks, you know, if you bought the top, you're kind of screwed right now, I think, for at least a little while. Sushi, let's check Sushi, man. Let's look at what Sushi is doing. 12.46% up. Sushi is right now down below all the moving averages again. It looked good for a while. This on the weekly time frame, right? This on the weekly. Dropped down below the 50 moving average. It's not actually a good move. You know, the support was all the way up here at 11.5. Right now sitting 9.3. So not a good move. Let's see on the daily. Daily also looks terrible because you're below all the moving averages. Down here, it looks like some kind of expanding. There's some kind of support down here. Can you call this some kind of you know, maybe this over here is some kind of a head and shoulders pattern that's playing out. It's below moving averages. Bearish cross on the weekly, hitting right now. Bearish cross on the daily. It doesn't look good, man. 4 hourly below the moving average is getting smacked down the support. 5-minute chart. This is taking too long, guys. This is taking too long. So I don't know how this is actually gonna play out. Let's go back to Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin, there, 5-minute chart, 5-minute chart. Ethereum is hitting resistance right now, so it's gonna, you know, maybe bounce, maybe bounce. Anyways, guys, that's it. We are overextended, but you know, if it starts going sideways, you know, the more it goes sideways, the more probable is actually to go down. The more probable is to go down. So this sideways move not actually, you know, a good thing. But if it starts climbing move, it might get some kind of move toward the upside. Now this 5-minute chart, we actually don't care about 5-minute chart. 1 hourly chart, after 30 minutes we are up. Let's see the 30-minute chart how it looks. Yeah, it's getting some kind of support down here. So there is big support around 45,005 to 41,000, actually 40,007. The big support down here. You don't want to break towards that. But you can see that the moving averages are all the way up here, right? This is 30 minutes. This is 1 hourly. This is 4 hourly. So you know we can definitely go a little bit up here before these moving averages start, you know, kicking us back down again. That can definitely happen. Some kind of automatic response towards the upside might definitely happen. Let's look at the daily time frame. Also on daily time frame, big support right over here. Doesn't matter what happens today, but you do not want to cross this level down here. You don't want to go down because that's bad. But the thing is that it just is happening too fast. After this stamp on the downside, we knew it's gonna go up to the moving averages. It went, but it's, you know, it jumped so fast. I was thinking more like something getting pushed down, you know, that's gonna happen. You never know how this thing is gonna play out, but I was looking more for some kind of push down, and there was no push down. It just dropped like crazy. On the first, you know, first FUD, you know, it dropped like crazy. So this definitely doesn't look good. Definitely doesn't look good. But we'll see how long this actually holds. 4 hourly hitting the support up here. Don't want to break it. Yeah. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hitting likes. Thanks for all the donations. I appreciate that. Crypto Mo got wrecked, brother. He did? Yeah, guys, this guy, YouTube Crypto Mo. This guy is a big shot right now because you know the altcoin daily was shilling him. Things will change for champion. He did get wrecked. I don't know. Did he get wrecked? Matic pumping like Batmoon. I wouldn't say Matic is pumping. Is Matic pumping? No, minus 9.9. See around TLA, stop button, there is stop button. So I don't know, but this guy right now, big shot in the crypto because, you know, Altcoin Daily, you know, promoted him, so that's that. He had a high leverage long, but he might have closed in profits, so I don't know if he got wrecked. Okay, so you don't know. Family time. Yeah, it's family time for me as well. This is, you know, I was thinking it might be some kind of V-shaped bottom or something like that, but it looks like it's, you know, it might test these levels several times. But it is overextended, so I don't know how far this might actually go. I don't know how far this might go. But you got a big support levels down here. You got a big support levels down here and down here. That said, we did have a terrible 4-hourly close. We had a terrible 4-hourly close down here below these lines. This was terrible. This was very bad. This was very bad. It's not actually up here. These are bad clothes. So bad clothes, but sitting on some kind of sport video overextend levels. There might come more dump, guys. Be careful that if there comes more dump, I might start streaming again. So do be sure to subscribe to the channel and put notifications on, because when I go live, the only way you get notifications is by, you know, having notifications on or being in the Telegram channel. Anyways, it was nice. It was nice. Cheers, guys. See you around. Thanks for likes. How many likes did we get? 443 likes. Nice. Very nice. See you around, guys. Bye bye.